This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is June 21st, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other before endeavoring into trading. All right. Let's jump over to the charts and see what we see here. Well, the main thing is NASDAQ did make a new high, but we have a doji at the top on the weekly chart. But let's zoom on in here and take a look at the big picture on the quarterly chart. On the quarterly chart, we are still green. We are still above the R1, yearly R1. We're still looking fairly bullish on that on this particular chart, and look like things can still go higher. They may pull back a little bit. If they pull back, I kind of would expect to pull back to this R1 level and maybe give us a bounce if we get a pull back. All right, let's go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, as we can see, this has been a hot month here, June. We did go all the way up to a R2 level on these quarterly pivots. That's pretty bullish, in my opinion, and I'll be in that high already in the month. But we're a little bit past halfway month, and we're still above the 9-10 moving average, so we are still in a bull market. It's just kind of gapped up a little, got a little gap here, and it's went all the way to an R2 now on these quarterly pivots. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, this is where it's getting kind of interesting. Last week we had what I would almost call, I was thinking this market is about ready to turn over, should be turning over, it's getting too high, it's getting too hot. And I said, yeah, that might, this past week, last week I was looking at this, that might have been our final push up. But I was still expecting it, we can still reach 500. That was my other thing though. So in 500 being only like $20 away, we still didn't quite get there. You know, that's the thing, that's what's kind of surprising. That's what kind of maybe saying, okay, is this it? We got a doji at the top at the right location. The thing is, what's going to happen next week? Come next week, these are monthly pivots. These are monthly pivots, and we're already at an R2 on monthly pivots. We can pull back a little bit here before the end of the month and come down here to maybe a drop of $20 or so, and then continue back up. Because the market doesn't go straight up. It's time, maybe time for a red candle to pop in here, as you can see. Will we get a pullback like that? I don't know, but the thing is, we are at the top and we have a doji at the top. So be careful, be careful, be careful, and all. But we did make a new high this week, another new high. So be careful. All right, let's go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. On the daily noise, and this is also what you can see here on the daily picture here. On the daily picture, we got what it's called, it's not the perfect evening star, but it's an evening star where you got a green candle, a doji candle, and a red candle, and you almost got confirmation that according to how you like your confirmation. Me, I like my confirmation to be below, you know, a close below that first candle of that pattern. And if we get a close down here, yeah, we're going down. Yeah, and it's all based on your trading plan and your trading strategy. There's strategies that you can use now for the top of this market that it has made, and you can. I would prefer to do something like that, and then trying to play it directional to the downside, because a directional to the downside can lose you more money. Number one, if you do other strategies where you're just trying to play the top and saying it's going down, you can always roll. You could always roll out and up. You know, you get used to doing that and manage your trades that way. No trade recommendation, but that's one of the things that you can do once you look like we have established the top. Even though, like I'm still saying, I was expecting this thing to go a little bit higher, and it didn't quite get there. But that's what I see. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.